Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine and healthy. I am very much impressed by your positive response and good comments on my previous video, that is chapter 1 of your NCERT book Poonam's Day Out. Children, those who have missed my video can watch my video by pressing I button on the top of your screen. Dear students, today I am going to start new chapter of your EBS book, chapter number 2, that is the plant fairy. Before starting the chapter, you have to subscribe my channel by pressing subscribe button and bell icon so that the new notification of my video lecture can immediately reach you. Do like my video for my motivation. Let us start the chapter.
In this chapter, there is a story of 5 little children like you. Their names are Ammu, Dayaram, Shabnam, Michael and their Didi. So what happens? One child among them tells that last Sunday they all went to a garden and there they enjoyed by playing hide and seek and antakshari. If you call these games by any other name, then please write in comment below. They enjoyed very much. After some time, Didi asked to play another game which she had played last year during her camp. Didi said that she will become a plant fairy and will call out a name of something and all kids will have to touch that one. Now the game begins. The Didi said, the plant fairy wants you all to touch a plant. Immediately, what happens? All the children went and touched a plant. Plant fairy said, very good. All of you have touched a plant. But do you notice that all plants are different from each other? Then Shabnam said, Didi, you are also sitting on a plant. Can you tell the name of this? Yes, it is grass. Now the game again started. The plant fairy now said, touch a tree which has either a thick or a thin trunk. Now again children went and touched the trees with thick or thin trunks. Children, have you ever seen any tree with such thick trunk earlier? If yes, then write the name of that tree in the comment box below. Michael enjoyed a lot and thought how lucky is the plant fairy. She can order everyone around her. So Michael said, I want to be plant fairy. All children laughed and said, boy fairy. Now Michael said, get me some leaves quickly. Didi added, but you are not to pluck the leaves. Now the children went and collected the leaves lying on the ground. Didi asked to notice the colors, shapes and margins of the leaf. Dayaram said that he did not know that there were so many different types of leaves like round, long, triangular. Ammu noticed the color of the leaf like light green, dark green, yellow, red and purple and some green with white patches. Now Shabnam said, look, the margins of these leaves are also different, like straight, uneven and some are like a saw. All the kids were enjoying a lot. Ammu and Shabnam shouted together to become plant fairy now. But Didi said that some other day she will again play this game. Then on the way back to home, Didi recited a poem for everyone. This poem was written by Shri Birendra Pal Sisodiya. So children, open the poem and recite with me. Poem nowadays is pronounced as poem. Red, purple and even yellow. Some green, wet and loose. Leaves are of different kinds and of different shapes and shades. Some are like elephant's ears and some are playful like the devil. Some are torn and some are folded and some even eaten like the beetle. And in the early dawn's darkest hue, you will find the flowers cry tear like dew. Some are like butterflies, some like bees, some are hairy and some plain, some dry up to look thorns and some even resemble cranes. Whoosh whoosh, scuttle and flutter. In the breeze they all do mutter. All day long they smile and play, and in the night they sleep away. Leaves are of different kinds and of different shapes and hues. Children, now coming to the exercise. This section is for activity. So do it at your home with the help of your parents or elder brother or sister. Now here it is asked to look this picture and to write the name of objects with flowers and leaf patterns. So we will write here: wall paintings, curtain, pillow, dress, bed sheets, carpet. Now next, look the objects which have patterns of leaf and flowers in your house. I will give an example like table cover. Now rest you will do by your own. Now next, you have seen many plants and trees. How many of them you can name? I will give an example of mango tree. Now rest all you write in your notebook. Children, are there any plant you have heard but never seen? For me, I have never seen kiwi plant. And the plant which you have never seen, you can write in your notebook. Now next, you have to choose a plant near your house or school and make friendship with it. So students, I have a mango tree in my garden and now I have made it my friend and I will give it a good name, Mango. So children, now select a plant at your home or school and make friendship and give it a good name as I gave my friend tree. This was all about your chapter. So what you have learned, if you enjoyed or not. If yes, please give me a thumbs up below and subscribe, like and share the video. See you very soon with my next video here on M Saxena class. Till then, goodbye.